Okay guys, so let me show you real quick auto trading on my MT4. So let me click here. So this is my trading account. This is my MT4. So let me go to trade history. So it's gonna say today so far I made a profit of about $772 with the boat. So let's see how it's gonna be next few hours. So before that, let's go to custom. I want to show you the trade history of each day when I started the boat. I think I started the auto trading on 6th. So let's go to custom. Go to 6th. Okay, go to 6 here and click on done. So I want to show you profit of each day. So as you can see, the boat made me $461 on 6th. So let's go back to custom. Let's click on 7 here. Click on done. So the boat made me $754 on 7th. Go back to custom, click on done. So on 8th, the profit was $1,079. This was the day when I made over $1,000 in profit, the most profit. So let me go to the custom again. Let me go to 9th. 9th, click on done. So on 9th, the profit was $621. Go to custom again. Let's go to 10th. 10th, click on done. So on 10th, which is today, the profit is $771. So let me go to custom, and on 6th I got this boat setup. So from 6th, okay, from 6th to 10th December. So from 6th to 10th, so far you can see the profit so far is $3,689. So let me show you real quick where the boat is set up on my system, on my BPS. So let me go here and go here. So as you can see, this is my BPS, this is my server. So this is my boat is running. As you can see, it's actually running 24/7. So it's running 24/7 because it is set on BPS. So before you can actually you can see it's auto trading here at the top. Okay, auto trading active. So you actually need the BPS to set this up because you need to be running this boat 24/7. So it has been running for almost 5 days continuously. So here you can see trade. Okay, you can see the trade here. You can see the pair here. You can see the pairs. Okay, here you can see the exposure. Okay, here you can see the account history. Okay, here you can see the, where is that, here you can see the signals. So yeah guys, it works 24/7 and it works without touching, so that's crazy. So let's go back to the MT4. I don't really have much knowledge about the forex, like I said, but in couple of times that I have used boat that wasn't really accurate, but this one is really good. I don't promote something like this one is really good, honestly, no cap. It's really okay, and I like it myself. And without you doing anything, you just get it up, and I'm not the one to set this up, right? So if you wanted to do this, I actually have to link you up with the developer of the software so that he can put you up through. But the first thing you need to have is the BPS, guys. If you are not using BPS, you must have a BPS. So you can actually use the link in the description to get one. The one which I'm using seems very cheap. It is $7 a month, so it's cheap. You can you can actually use the link in the description to get the BPS. And then of course you can contact me. I nearly created a group for this particularly, so make sure you join the group. And inside the group you are going to see my link, what it's called, Telegram link, so that you can actually check me out. And also you need to join the group, right? So you need to join the group because I'll be what it's called, putting up the update as this boat goes on. I can't put everything on my channel, like it's not possible, but inside the group I'll be putting up the screenshot like tonight. So by the time days run, so in the next 6 to 7 hours, I'm gonna put a screenshot of how much I'm actually making today. So right now I'm on profit of $700, and I think in couple of hours, like 5 to 6 hours, I should be around $1,000 in profit. I don't know, I'm not definitely, but I'm gonna definitely post it in the group. So make sure you join the Telegram group. So if you have any question, let me know in that comment section. And like I said, I don't really know much about Forex. I only know how to go over the boat, but not really much on the Forex, guys. So thank you so much. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget that. And of course, make sure to join the Telegram group from the link, and let me know if you need this. All right, thank you.